Denise from Canada. How did you go with Blooms France?
I had a great time. I learned how to paint flowers for the first time. I never seemed to be able to do flowers to make them look happy and flowing, so this was a great experience, and I think I succeeded.
Yeah, let's have a look. Wow. This is your first one?
Yes, it is.
Actually, this was our first one, wasn't it? It was actually in oils. And then we went into acrylics because they're going to dry in time for us to travel with. We did lots of photography of stunning blooms between Paris and the Limousin. Visited the gorgeous garden of Georges Sand. And we spent a lot of time painting. That is awesome. So bold, your tulip. I just love it. And did you enjoy the experience of being immersed in French art school?
I did. Never have I done this before, but I can say the 8 days has gone quickly. Long days doing painting, but I learned so much.
Cool. And I can see that, you know, you're off and running and you're going to be doing heaps when you get home by the looks. Well done. And thank you very much for joining us all the way from Canada.
Thank you.
So thrilled. Thank you.